Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's been quite a while since I've done anything to do with makeup, to be fair. Like, well, you know, not opening the boxes, but I mean like doing an eye look. But I thought I'd do one today. I don't feel very well. I think I've got a bit of hay fever going on. I think I have a bit of hay fever going on. But anyway, today let's do this. So I did this look yesterday before I went to the gym, because I've been concentrating on my bodybuilding again, and I'm hopefully going to start doing videos on that eventually when my body starts looking like I want it to look. So anyway, let's do this. So obviously I've got tape on. I've done my eyebrow because I didn't really fancy doing that on camera. What is that on my eye? Oh, really? You want to do it now, dear? You want to do that to me? And I've got primer on. The primer that I used today was Nip Fab primer. I just use that. Just cleaning off my brush, to be fair. So anyway, I'm going to go in with this brush, and today I'm using the Dare to Create Morphe palette. I don't know if everyone got one of these, but this is an amazing palette. Loads of colours, didn't even cost that much, to be fair. So now we're going to start using this. The first colour we're going to use is this one right here, just as like a base kind of colour. There's a little bit of fallout in these colours, but you know, a quick wipe and you're done. I mean, if you're doing your foundation and everything, which I'm not doing my foundation today, obviously, but if if you do that, then obviously I would recommend you either put powder under your eyes or do your foundation after you've done your eyes. Anyway, let's just do this. Let's lay this one down. Wipe off my brush because I'm going to use the same brush. And then we're going to go in with this really dark blue here. I would suggest actually kind of patting it in a little bit, because I don't know what it is with blue, but I mean all the colours are great. They are great, but the blue seems to be more like pat it in there. So we're going to like sort of like start patting it in, because it doesn't seem to want to go on as good as the other colours. The other colours are fine. I mean, I've not really noticed any problems with any of the other colours. It's just this one. I don't know if it's because it's dark. I mean, I don't know, because the black is fine. The black is amazing. Like, the black is done really well. I mean, I've only started really using darker colours since I've gone with the blue hair, which is totally weird. Usually I stay away from like darker colours, but since I've got the blue hair, I tend to go with darker colours. I've started using black, which is weird for me because I don't use black. Anyway, back to this. So we're going to do this just about, I'd say, you know, halfway. Just so you leave that little bit there. I mean, I could most probably get away with not doing concealer on the corner of my eye, but to be fair, I'd rather just do it because you know, like it'll make it more pop more anyway. Like, it's like really bright, make it more poppy out. So anyway, I'm gonna go with a concealer. It doesn't matter what concealer you use. I use different ones. And then just get a little bit on the end of a brush, any brush. I don't use anything special. Like I said, I mostly didn't really need to use this, but I just did because I thought it might make it just stand out just a little bit more than it would if you weren't. Right, so then we're going to go in with this really like nice blue. It's like a metallic blue in the corner. And again, I'm going to just pat that onto. I think with certain colours it's like you've got to pat them on, or you've got to just go wild and just do it anyway. Oh god, I'm so hungry right now. Right, so now that is on, I would suggest going back in with the dark blue just to go over the edge of that, because you don't want it looking like, you know, like you've just stuck it on and it's just there. So I kind of like to blend it a little bit just so it looks more like it's together. If that makes sense, guys, I don't even know. Right, so to me that blue there needs a bit more. Yabba. Right, so I don't know if I fancy doing my eyeliner on camera, to be fair, so I'll be right back with my eyeliner on. Yeah, eyeliner done, eyelashes on. Yes. So for the eyeliner, I did use the Eye Studio Lasting Drama by Maybelline, the one I always use because, like I said before, you know, my eyes tend to water a lot. So if I use, you know, liquid eyeliner, it's a no-go. So now that's done. I mean, it's a simple, pretty blue eye look. I really liked it when I did it yesterday, so I thought I'd just, you know, just video it and just stick it on here. Like I said, I'm hoping to start doing maybe some gym videos and stuff like that when, you know, like I get a bit more trimmer. Like I'm trying to get my traps coming through and everything now, so it's like a bit more time, and hopefully I'm starting to do that as well. I really should have put on a fitness journey, you know, because like I've been doing bodybuilding for like 2 years now, and I just let myself go and started eating the wrong things. Anyway, enough about that for now, because obviously it's not about that. If you did like this look, thank you for watching, guys, and please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.